Hello water signs, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Welcome to my channel, Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 23rd of August 2021 and so on, beyond. Let's see what is coming for you, okay? I heard that some energy over here, you to them to you, or the vibe is all about let's be. Someone does want to stay connected. They want to be in contact with you. You want to be in contact with this person. This may come as a surprising or surprised message your way. But I also get this vibe of someone is yet not ready to take the call. They might be making decision here with the Two of Wands energy. Someone is in too much head, and I feel it's you. You're thinking, maybe overthinking, but something that you're figuring out. You're way emotional, and I feel this is all your vibe. You're way emotional, and I also kind of get this vibe you might be dealing with an air sign. Possible. For some cases, not for all. The love, the care that you hold for someone in specific here is too much sometimes to bear, and that's why you overthink. Let's see. The energy is all about controlling or how to please your own emotions. Let's see. Yes, you love, you adore, you care for someone too much. This is your energy though, but it's also your emotional vibe, okay? Page of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You care for someone too much. You have love for someone so much. You might have expressed it. You're already with the person. If not, you have these feelings with you for them. There's emotional flow, and something will happen that is like will be, or in the future kind of energy. It will be uncontrollable. And this is possible you are sending certain message to the person, let's be, which means that let's be together, or let's be in this phase, this moment, and this moment may turn into forever, because your thing is coming as like forever. You are definitely controlling your emotions, okay? It's like your mind and heart, and your heart is overweighing over mind, which is about you are emotional. And that's okay. You can control that, what is going on or happening. But yes, oh my God, oh God, yes. So some of you might be coming from a place of Five of Cups with Ace of Cups in your present call. I feel like you're coming from Five of Cups, which is about that something that you never tried or you never claimed because of some work or official matters, or something that you were indulged in, entangled in, and you overlooked possible something because of certain situations in your life, okay? Or you did it intentionally, I don't know, maybe unintentional, it depends, and you lost certain contact here. This may be something that is making you upset and sad and emotional here, or disappointed with certain energies in your past. But I feel this energy is someone you really loved, and you miss them, okay? In your present, this is Ace of Cups. It's expression. Certain expression, certain message, certain thing that you're going to work, and you really want to tell them that how much I care for you. This is Ace of Cups. This is love that you hold for someone in specific. In future, there may be air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, vibe. And for some cases, this is like lost emotional zone, or lost emotions zone, which is about absence of emotions. Two of Wands energy. So this is about future plan or preparation or upcoming event in order to decide to meet this person or to contact this person after long wait or lot of distance. Okay, the one you love, the one you care. Again, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius might be. With this page of swords energy, it's about sending their message. I'm hearing the words repeat telecast. So something that you're going to do it every now and then in coming possible 2 days or 2 weeks when you hear this reading. You're going to continue doing this, keeping patience as well. However, this can go vice versa as well. Something was sacrificed here. Now sacrificed, and maybe that person was not even involved in the sacrifice, which is about you took certain decision, possible, may go vice versa again, okay, general vibes. But if you sacrifice something for your career or for some other thing or stuff here, then this was definitely, as I said in the start, of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe, and something got into aggression or something was overthrown, kind of energy when something is overlooked or ignored, and burst out session happened and the talk was not that good, and someone just rushed in and rushed out of life, each other's life. With 10 of Swords energy, sour moment came, or something ended very on some point which was like very sudden or harsh, or something that was ghosted, or kind of thing that you people never talked then again. You never talked with this person ever then. They saw it going, you saw it going, and then things ended. Or maybe something is connected with your past where this person was the reason for the sour moments or sour communication between either fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay, and it never started, kind of like it never took off, something never took off. On Ace of Hearts, something is in progress, not progress, something is in process, like it's the kind of infrastructure, like the tower is being built up, or something is manifesting, but it's not yet done, it's in the construction process. And this Three of Pentacles is all about that. Something is yet not ready, but let's be. So someone does want to be, in order to carve that sculpture, in order to amend, or in order to make something out of this love. They want to collaborate with you. Oh, did you notice that? Oh my God. Your card is Eight of Hearts energy, and you love someone deep, okay, and you want to talk, but something is already messed up in both of your life. Two of Pentacles, Eight of Wands energy with Eight of Cups energy. Someone is already away, but possible someone over here is planning to be let's be, like a U-turn, like a reverse action to something. Eight of Cups, someone misses someone here bad, and that's why planning on contacting this person, but how? Figuring out their contact number, or adding the stuff, or just figuring out how to. So messed up, okay? How to communicate. Eight of Wands, but something is going to yet start, like talk, okay? Now talk is all about you're going to send the message, possible. That's what we said here. Too much in head about how to. Because they walked away or you walked away. You both parted ways. Kind of energy that how to make these tracks come together. Like pathways come together. How? This is the process. It's not that one night decision and something comes back again. It's like a work in process. What's in future coming for you? What's in future? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, now here you go. Conversation is definitely coming, and I talked all about message talk. But again, this is not going to land in one night, okay? It's not going to happen just like, oh wow, okay? So the conversation may take time. It is going to come, it is going to happen, but it will take time in making that sculpture. It's in process. You need to talk, but then again, how they're going to get ready, or you are going to get ready for that. You are wedding. Someone is holding in something. So let's be like, it's like very emotional, too much in head, and they want to talk about something. Maybe it's about wedding. Maybe you are already. If not, then this is about they want to talk. So in your future, the conversation is all about talk. Maybe this conversation is something about the wedding and all that concept that you don't like. So this is something like your future planning preparation. Maybe it's about proposal, okay, how it is fitting and how it is coming towards you. What does make sense? It depends upon your life, your decisions. But I feel like you're going to be very emotional about, okay, and the conversation is all about, you want to have the conversation with the one you really want to be with. Let's see. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. You are in love, and if this fits from both the sides, you both are in love. There's a love energy, definitely. But it's like a graph. It's like something that you need to put effort, you need to take stand kind of energy. Okay. Ten of Cups energy. It's what I claim, it's what you claim. It's like they know. Let's be. So let's be together. Someone is proposing you here. Someone is about to come in your life. It's a happy family. It's be with, family planning, get together, 12 recording time, and have kids and all that stuff. If you already have that fits your situation, go that way. Someone is seeing this in the future, planning this, like, this is what we are going to do. Wow, planning on making, organizing dreams and desires, having that kind of like to-do list and all that stuff, wish list kind of, and all the wishes are coming true. The finalization of something possible, claiming the love and doing the stuff. Let's be. Nine of Cups, wishes coming true. Being with the love, being with the one, Ace of Cups, and here you go. And something that matters to me is this one beautiful cup. Okay. I hope this is going to help you. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.